Hey GrabFood merchants! Watch this seamless video on processing Dine-Out redemptions in store. The cashier simply has to key in the order for dining in into the POS system. Make sure you've added Dine-Out deals as a payment option. This is to ensure the transaction is stated as Dine-Out deals. Once the order is keyed in, display the total bill to your consumers. For your consumer to redeem their Dine-Out deal, they just have to key in your outlet name. They would simply have to press Pay Bill and key in the total bill reflected on the receipt. The discount will be reflected in the consumer's app. Once the consumer has transacted, you will receive a notification in your merchant app. Consumers' transactions will display a unique code starting with GD. As a cashier, you'll receive a notification in the merchant app. Verify that it matches with the consumer's transaction too. And that's all. By following this tutorial, you'll ensure a seamless process for both your cashiers and consumers.